Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for joining me on Jomo. Thank you, Jomo, for inviting me. Today's clip is about empowerment and how it plays out in Beyond the Fields, my debut novel, which is about rape, resilience, and reclaiming honor. The character of Zara is central to the theme of empowerment because every day she is navigating her life between, trying to get more control over her life and then being sort of put back into her place. And उसकी अम्मी कहती हैं काम करो, वो कहती है मैंने काम नहीं करना, मैंने पढ़ना है. सो हर दिन उसके लिए एक चैलेंज बन जाता है. फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग देयर इज अ टेंशन बिटवीन के वो ज़ारा वांट्स, उसको क्या चाहिए और उसको क्या मिलता है. इज अ टग ऑफ वॉर बिटवीन चॉइसेस एंड पावर. And then she wants to control her life. She wants, she wants to become stronger and more confident. She wants to claim her rights. And then there is, towards the end of the book, there's almost like an epiphany about what, empowerment means to Zara. And so the point is that, what do you think? I'd love to hear what you think about empowerment. What do you think it means to a 15-year-old girl in Punjab? And do you think it's influenced by patriarchy, our culture, and our society? So do share your thoughts with me.